So hey guys, welcome to Tech with Saket. I'm going to show you how you can download or install Oracle VirtualBox on your Windows 10 operating system. So Oracle VirtualBox is a free and open source host or hypervisor, or you can say it allows us to install many operating systems virtually on our host operating system. So let's say I want to install Ubuntu operating system virtually on my Windows 10 operating system. So I can do that using VirtualBox. So for installing VirtualBox, just open your browser and search for VirtualBox. So the first link will be appear here, which is from virtualbox.org. Just click on this link. So once this website opens, if you are not directly redirected to the download page, you can just click on this downloads link, and after clicking that link, you will be redirected to the downloads page. Since we want to download Oracle VirtualBox for Windows operating system, so we will just click on this Windows host. So we can see here clearly VirtualBox exe file is downloading, which is of 103 MB. Just wait for few times to be downloaded. So here I have downloaded my VirtualBox successfully. So I'm going to install it. The first window will look like this, and I'm going to just click on the next button. This is the location where your VirtualBox will be installed. If you don't have any reason to change this location, just leave it as default and click on next. Leave it as default, click on next, click on yes, then install. This will take few minutes. Just now we can see here there is a VirtualBox icon. Just click on this finish and let's open this. So now here we can see there is a new button. By clicking on this new button, we can create any virtual machine, and this is our type of virtual machines: Windows, Linux, Solaris, etc. And this is our versions of our machine. So let's say I want to install Ubuntu virtual machine on our VirtualBox. Then it is a type of Linux and its version is Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on the next button. Clicking next, then choose memory and processor. This is where your requirement, as per your requirement. The most important thing when you install virtual machine on your host is the ISO file. So you can download it from any its website. So suppose I want to install Ubuntu on our virtual machine, so I can download its ISO file from Ubuntu's website. We will be making a separate video on how to download Ubuntu on virtual machine. So connect with us, subscribe our channel, like, share this video, and wait for next video to be uploaded. Thank you. See you in the next video.